In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Zoho CRM. Whether you're looking to streamline your processes or simply customize your CRM experience, adding custom buttons can significantly enhance your workflow. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Zoho CRM and look for the setup icon, which is represented by a gear symbol. You'll find this icon conveniently located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a world of customization options within Zoho CRM's settings. Now, after clicking the setup icon, we need to make our way over to the customization section. This section is key because it holds the tools you need to tailor your CRM environment exactly to your liking. Look for the option labeled Modules and Fields. This is what you'll want to select next. Once you're inside the Modules and Fields section, you'll be presented with a list of all the modules available in Zoho CRM. Modules are essentially different categories where you might want to add a button, such as leads or deals, depending on where you want to make enhancements. Take a moment to decide which module will benefit most from this new button and select it. For example, if you're working frequently with potential customers, you might want to choose the Leads module. After you've selected the appropriate module, direct your attention to the Links and Buttons tab. This is an integral part of the customization process and where things really get exciting. Here is where you're going to bring your new button to life. Finally, it's time to click on Create New Button. This is the function that allows you to add your own customized action button to the module you've chosen. A new window will pop up, providing you with options for naming your button, defining its behavior, and setting up any criteria under which it should operate. Take some time to plan out exactly what you want this button to do. Whether it automates sending an email or updates a field, consider how it will best serve your team's needs. Ensure everything is set up correctly so your button functions smoothly and effectively within your CRM environment. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now learned how to create and implement a custom button in Zoho CRM. This powerful feature can make a huge difference in your day-to-day activities by saving time and reducing the need for repetitive tasks. Don't hesitate to experiment with creating different types of buttons for various modules to see what works best for you and your team. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to further customize Zoho CRM to better fit your business needs.